A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. N. This is the letter N. It's the letter N. N says N. The letter N. Here are some numbers. Numbers starts with the letter N. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the number 9. 9 starts with the letter N. 9. Here is a calendar. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Hey, wait a minute. November starts with N. November. These are nails. There are different sizes and kinds of nails for different projects. Nail starts with the letter N. These are nails also. They are fingernails. 2 different kinds of nails. People use these kind of nails to build things. You can pound a nail into wood with a hammer. Let's make some nests. You'll need a 10-ounce bag of marshmallows and 3 tablespoons of butter. And then you can melt this in the microwave. Microwave 1 minute and then stir, and then put it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Stir, stir, stir after the 30 more seconds. And then you will start adding cornflakes. Up to 6 cups of cornflakes. After you get all of your cornflakes stirred in, grab a piece of tinfoil or a cookie sheet. Put a little baking spray on it and put spoonsful of your cornflake mixture on the pan or foil. Take a metal spoon and spray it. Press the center of each spoonful down to make a nest. Now you can take some jelly beans or some other round candy and put it in your nest. There are 1, 2, 3 nests, and each nest has 1, 2, 3 eggs inside. We can have nests for our snack. Nest starts with the letter N. This is a needle. The hole in the top of the needle is called the eye of the needle. We can thread the needle and then we can sew. Once we pull the thread through the eye of the needle, we can start sewing. One end of the needle is very pointy, so it can poke through the fabric. Be careful not to poke your fingers, and you can poke up and down through the fabric. When you pull the needle, the thread comes through. Let's do some more. Poke it down, poke it up and down through the fabric with my pointy needle. There we go. Pull the thread. Look at that. I'm going to do one more row. Up and down through the fabric. And then when I pull on the needle, here comes my thread. Look what I made. It's a letter N. Needle starts with N. The letter N.